Hello and welcome to Pytechie. Today we are going to talk about statistics, a branch of mathematics that deal with the collection, analysis, interpretation, presentation and organization of data. Statistics help us make decision based on the data, whether it is tracking how many people click on your app or how much memory your code consumes. They help you uncover pattern, trend and valuable insights. Statistics are broadly divided into two main categories: descriptive statistics and another one the inferential statistics. Descriptive statistics, this summarize and describe the main feature of data sets using measures like mean, median and modes. Inferential statistics help you to make prediction on a generalization about the population based on a sample. For example, forecasting app crashes based on the past user behavior. In our next video, we will dive deeper into these concepts. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.